Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Match. Apple announced a whole bunch of products, and I have them all inside this bag. This is our Apple iPad 2018 unboxing and hands-on. Okay, let's get on with it, but first, let's take a look at what's inside my shopping bag. First up is the iPad 2018 edition. Next up, smart cover. And last, but definitely not the least, it's not really new per se, but it works with the new iPad, the Apple Pencil. Okay, let's get on with it. This is it, the new iPad. The box is pretty standard. If you flip it around, you'll find that we're unboxing the 128 gigabyte Wi-Fi plus cellular model. Let's peel off this plastic wrap and lift up this lid. The first thing you'll see is the iPad all neatly wrapped. You can lift it up via this tab, and as you can see, we have the space gray model. The new iPad is also available in silver and a new shade of gold, which is somewhere in between gold and rose gold. Also in the box, a lightning cable for charging and syncing your iPad, this cardboard packet, which contains your user guides, SIM ejector tool, and of course, Apple stickers, and a charging brick. We would have actually loved if Apple shipped the 29-watt adapter so that this iPad would charge even faster. With all that out of the way, now it's time to take a closer look at the iPad. Okay, now let's unwrap this plastic. For those unfamiliar with the iPad, button and port placements are like this. On the right side, volume buttons, and if you've got the cellular model, a SIM card tray. Up top, the power button and headphone jack, and on the bottom, downward firing speakers and a lightning port. Up front, there's a physical home button, which also serves as a fingerprint sensor. There's also a pair of front and back cameras. Okay, now that we have the iPad unboxed, it's time to take a look at the smart cover. All you have to do is lift up this tab over here to remove the packaging. I have the black one over here, but it's also available in a range of other colors. The smart cover is magnetic and attaches like so. You can also use it to prop up the iPad in a bunch of different angles, like when you want it to stand on a desk to watch a movie, and when you need it on an angle for typing. And last but not the least, it's time for the Apple Pencil. Let's slide open the box. First up, a smaller box with all important instructions, a charging adapter, and an extra tip. And here, of course, is the Apple Pencil itself. The Apple Pencil isn't new, but it's the first time the entry-level iPad supports it. So now you can use it to draw or scribble notes. The new iPad also has improved support for augmented reality, thanks to its A10 chip. And while we're looking at specs, here's the rest of the spec sheet. The 6th generation iPad starts at $329, but schools can get them for $299 with $10 off the Apple Pencil also. So, is the 6th generation iPad your gadget match? If you're in the market for a new tablet, a new iPad especially, then this is definitely one you should consider, especially if you don't need all the features of the Pro model. I also think that this will make a great device for students now that it comes with Apple Pencil support. Of course, you can also wait for our review. We'll be putting this device through its paces, and we'll be putting out a review really soon. Until then, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow Gadget Match on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, from here in sunny Singapore, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.